is more pure, unadulterated.
How you feeling? You must be great, because in this video we're going to have another reaction. and a little easy. The most luxury. Not these. I think these are not the most. Like I think these are just the luxury top 5 luxury jet skis in the world. I'm so excited. I'm so laughing because right now I record one of these videos for my Persian channel, and that was so cool, and I laughed so much. Alright, before going to the videos, remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also follow me on Instagram. The link is my Instagram link is in the description. Oh my god! It's their green color are really. This is a car. This is a car.
There's lots of time to relax when there isn't actual fun, and nothing is more pure, unadulterated fun.
That was the real something like vehicle car, but
relatively low. Our assets.
EX series is virtually all new with an exciting look.
Okay, I think this is the first one, huh? Oh yeah, this is the first one.
And our connect.
Oh, he is explaining us. He got all of these jet skis. Come on, cool guy. Look, it's so big. Let me analyze it. This is cool. This is big, and also a good color combination together. I really expect more of you guys. For example, this guy on these go. This is gonna be so cool. Why am I laughing? Just imagine this. Just go this way and guys go. I fall.
The XLM comes with premium upgrades, a complete water sports accessories package, and our
come on, let's go ahead.
Self-draining watertight glove box is massive. With LED
oh,
in
you
fact,
can
it's the
put
largest
everything
glove
in
box.
here.
Opening is larger for easier access.
Oh,
to the
you
dedicated
can
area
put
for
everything you want in it. What made? I think these are waterproof. Yeah, of course these are waterproof. But what do you expect not be waterproof? These are 5 the best 5 top jet skis in the world. These all have the control systems. Oh my god. The next one. Oh my. I think I've seen this before. Yeah, I've seen this before. High performance. It doesn't cruise control. What? Audio system. Oh my god. Also, for example, you are going. It's gonna be so cool, so cool. What a good one. Relax. See. Luxury seat. Yeah, go ahead and teach me something amazing. Handle. Oh, this is the new one. You just do this. On the jet ski.
This compact lightweight engine delivers the exhilarating.
They're getting up. I am so loud. Doesn't matter. It is cool. It is good. Look at this guy. It's like this. Cool, yeah, cool. Guys, I really excited to go and create a vlog and record you a vlog from one of these great jet skis for you guys. It's gonna be so cool, so amazing, and so much view on my channel, and also so much exciting together. Yeah. This is the start, huh? Oh yeah. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh yeah. Oh, you can take that thing like this and go up, please, go up. Yeah. Oh,
Brake-inspired
it's
handlebars,
you can set these, right? This going up and down. You can set these by your height, right? By your height. It's so cool. Yeah. For example, you are lazy. For example, sometimes you don't have that much mood. You do like something like this, like. And you take it down, but sometimes you are so much excited you do. Oh, my bottom. My face. Oh my god.
Under the waterline, the new Superjet hull is
I think these are have so big petrol plates.
Some of that character comes from the adjustable steering wheel.
How? Oh my god! All these go this way and that way, but this. Cool. All right. It's like we can, you know. Oh my god! We can make one of them, and one of them. Yes. Yes. Come on, go back. All of the these colors. I just saw these. If I wanna be honest, just these. The last one is so cool. Do you know why? Because the color combination is very good. The bright and black together, and you know, it's not that much luxury. It's not luxury at all, right? I thought these are gonna be luxury, but they are not at all. They're just so cool and cool. All right, that was so cool. Just the first boy. So cool. And thank you for watching till the end of the video. I'm really excited of this, and I really decided to go and first create a vlog and record a vlog in future for you guys, and then make one of the greatest gifts in the world for you guys, for me and anyone. If I want to buy, I can sell it to you. Alright, thank you for watching till this time of the video. If you watch till this time of the video, it means you like the video, so please like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos of me. And also oh yeah, nothing, just nothing. Remember, let's go for the famous word. Like, oh no, even the impossible says impossible, so go and do it. Like, comment, bye.